Force. Force is a push. Types of force. Earth attracts all objects on or near it. This force is called gravitational force or gravity. For example, a fruit falling down. Rain coming down. Magnets can attract some metals. This type of force due to a magnet is called magnetic force or magnetism. When a comb is rubbed with hair, it gets charges. This charge can attract bits of paper. The force due to electric charges is called electrostatic force. Man and animals exert muscular force for their activities. When a body moves on a surface, the surface opposes the motion. This force is called frictional force. Friction is less in smooth surface. Friction can be further reduced by rolling. Simple machine. Work can be done easily with the help of simple machines. Lever. Levers in which the fulcrum is located between the load and the effort are called first-class lever or class 1 lever. Stars. We see the stars at night. Some stars are seen in groups. A group of stars is called a constellation. Big Dipper or Sapterish is one such group of 7 stars. There is a very bright star seen in the north. It is called the pole star or Polaris. The position of this star helps in finding out the north direction. The Sun is the nearest star. Planets. Planet is a heavenly body that revolves around the Sun. Asteroids. In the region between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter, there are thousands of small rocks. They also revolve around the Sun. These bodies are called asteroids. This region is called the asteroids belts. Solar system. The Sun and its planets together form the solar system. All planets revolve around the Sun in fixed paths called orbits. Perimeter of a square. Perimeter of a square is 4 times its side. Perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of a rectangle is twice the sum of its length and breadth. Area of square. A square is a rectangle with all the 4 sides equal. Convert 9.50 rupees to paisa. To convert rupees to paisa, we multiply by 100, because multiply 9.50 rupees by 100 and we get 950 paisa. AM and PM. AM stands for anti-meridian and PM stands for post-meridian. AM for time after 12 midnight and before 12 noon. PM for time after 12 noon and before 12 midnight. 1 AM indicates 1 o'clock in the night. 2 AM indicates 2 o'clock in the night. 3 AM indicates 3 o'clock in the night. 4 AM indicates 4 o'clock in the night. 5 AM indicates 5 o'clock in the night. 6 AM indicates 6 o'clock in the morning. 7 AM indicates 7 o'clock in the morning. 8 AM indicates 8 o'clock in the morning. 9 AM indicates 9 o'clock in the morning. Vowels. The letter A, E, I, O, U are called vowels. All the other letters of the English alphabet are called consonants. Articles. A, an and they are called articles. A and an are called indefinite articles because they are not used to refer to any particular or definite person or thing. For example, he put an apple in the table. The story is written by a girl. The is called definite articles because it is used to refer to a particular or definite person or thing. For example, he saw the peacock. That is the girl who loves dance. Conjunctions. Conjunctions are words which join two or more words or groups of words. For example, and, but, or, while, because, for, if, so etc. Abbreviation.